Did you know the beeping sound that changed the world came from a metal ball the size of a basketball? October 4th, 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 into space. This 184-pound satellite did nothing but send out simple radio beeps every few seconds as it circled Earth. But those beeps? They terrified America. Amateur radio operators around the world picked up the signal. People stood in their backyards, watching this tiny dot move across the night sky, realizing for the first time that humans had actually escaped Earth's gravity. The United States panicked. If the Soviets could put a satellite in space, they could launch missiles anywhere on the planet. This sparked the space race and massive investments in science and technology. That simple beeping satellite orbiting Earth every 96 minutes started something incredible. Today, thousands of satellites surround our planet, giving us GPS navigation, weather forecasts, global internet, and instant communication anywhere on Earth. Every time you check your phone's location or stream a video, you're using technology that began with a Soviet metal sphere sending out basic radio beeps during the Cold War. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.